Hey y'all, so this is an update on my microlocs journey. I have had my microlocs for a little over a year now, about a year and a month, and it's about to go get them done as we talk, but this is how they're looking. I'm very happy that I did end up getting these when I did. So this is what a year looked like, and I think I'll show y'all when I first got them done how thin they look and the status they are now. I feel like it's really has gotten fuller. I can see the difference of the growth and all that. So just wanted to give y'all a micro lock update. It's been about 9 hours and this is the finished product of how my hair looks. All right, I arrived at the shop to get my hair done. It'll be a couple of hours. Morning.
Good morning.
It smells good in here. Okay, sorry guys that you cannot hear me talking, but the music was playing in the background and I didn't want to give us a copyright strike. Man, I tell you, I love to get my hair done. I love when somebody else is washing my hair. Feels so good just to sit back and relax and let somebody else do it. Alright y'all, so I got my hair freshly retightened. And like I said, I had the microlocs in for 1 year, almost 2 months. So 1 year, 1 month and a half. And this is where we at. Hey guys, so it is a Saturday morning and we are about to go see if we can find my parents a new refrigerator because theirs is out. I got on a jogging suit for today and I'm gonna show you guys that what I have on. I got this jogging suit from Amazon. So this is my outfit for today. I got on a nice comfortable jogging suit. Like I said, I got this from Amazon. And I have on these shoes I got from my sister. And this is what we're rocking today. Hey y'all, so we are in Lowe's. My mama and dad did come. It's noisy in here. Oh, Nico came too. Got put him on the scooter. Where's your scooter? He tried to roll up on me on that scooter.
Yes, till the 18th. Everything is on sale till the 18th. What is it?
Get one of these basic refrigerators.
Yeah.
It's six. Which one you want?
I think that's kind of I want.
It's $6.49. It's a cute one.
That's cute.
Get it in black.
Huh?
I said get it in black.
You see black?
You have to see if it come in black. But that's cute.
Me and AK we can't look for no
I think he having technical difficulties.
pops.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to eat for my cousin's birthday today and I decided I want to try to put some curls in my hair. This is going to be the first time. So we're going to see together how this turned out or if I'll be putting the hat on. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting y'all to stay up. Let's see how this is going to turn out. And what I did was put some of these on the edge and I twisted, like plaited my hair. I have noticed that getting my hair in the micro locks, I'm doing the same things that I had it without the micro locks, like twisted, doing twist outs and stuff like that. So let's take these off. I don't know if it's gonna be like anything. I don't think it's gonna be big curls. Okay, so we don't look like we have any curls going on here, but let's just twist it. Let's see. Okay, so I always end up putting it all to the left like this, but it still look the same like I always do, but it's still cute to me. So, but look like my same normal hairstyle that I always do, always to the left and hanging in the back. But this is how it turned out. If I had more of those rods, I could do flexi rods. I could do more curls, so I'll buy some more and then do my head full one day. But for now, this is just how I look. Now let me show you guys my outfit for the day. So this is my outfit of the day. Got on my pink sweater, some blue jeans, and some brown boots. Okay, Legacy want to show her boots. She been over here today. She want to get them. So. You got to show them up there.
Got my boot. I got my boot. I got my boot.
Happy birthday to you. What else? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
This is my cousin, and this is her birthday. Hi! Welcome to my YouTube family.
That's
Cousin back there. This my daddy's side, y'all. I'm having a great birthday. Having her birthday. She's having to enjoy herself, so we having a good time tonight. Yes, thank you, cuz, for joining me tonight and celebrating my birthday. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I can't see it.
You in my way.
No, right here.
Yes, you are. Go over there. Good. What is this? This is my outfit today as